Hello, students. How are you? I hope you are really fine by the grace of God. We are pretty well too, and thanks for asking. And most of you might be missing your school, your teachers, your friends, the fun you had at school, and so on. Yeah, even we, the teachers, are missing you a lot. But don't worry, from now on, we are not going to miss each other like this. I have come with a very good piece of news. Can you guess what? We, the teachers of Vivekananda School, under the supervision of your correspondent sir, Venkateshwarlu sir, are planning for classes of this kind. We are going to meet you through videos like this. We are going to have a lot of fun. Okay, with each other, we are going to learn many good things. And what do you think I am going to teach? Perhaps you have guessed. Yes, you have guessed it correctly. I'm going to teach you English language. I'm going to improve your communication skills. I'm going to narrate wonderful stories, amazing stories. I'm going to let you speak, read, write, and listen. So are you excited? I'm pretty excited. I'm going to take a class of about 15 to 20 minutes. But what I request from you is complete attention and concentration. And this is what you need to bear in your mind. You need to pay full attention. What does it mean, paying full attention? When you pay full attention, you're not going to think about anything else. When you pay full attention, you're not going to talk with anyone around you. When you pay full attention on something, you're not going to get disturbed in any way. So this sort of attention I'm requesting from you. Whenever I come before you through a video like this, you have to pay full attention. Right, kids? So, as this is my first video session, I'm not going to go with a new concept. Let me revise something you have already learned in your class. And if I have to take one such thing, let me tell you about forming complete sentences as responses for the questions. When someone puts a question, do you think you should be giving an answer in a word? No, you should be giving the response in a complete sentence. Like, for example, let me pose some questions and let me see how you are going to answer them. Now, my first question is, did you wake up early today? Let me repeat. Did you wake up early today? I think some of you are answering it in yes and no or so like that. No, what did I say? You have to answer that in a complete sentence. My question was, did you wake up early today? And what should your response be? Yes, I woke up early today. If you did not wake up early today, then you can say, oh no, I did not wake up early today. This is going to be your complete sentence. Now let me put that question once again and let me see how many of you are going to give this complete response. Did you wake up early today? Yes, some of you have answered it correctly. Now let me move on to the next question. Did you have your breakfast? My question is very simple. Did you have your breakfast? Yes, some of you are trying to answer it in a complete sentence, and you are right. But some of you are still saying yes and no. So what is the response? Yes, I had my breakfast. Or yes, I ate my breakfast. I took my breakfast. Any of these three responses is correct. So let me put the question once again. Did you have your breakfast? What should your response be? Yes, I had my breakfast. Or yes, I took my breakfast. If you did not have your breakfast, what are you going to say then? No, I did not have my breakfast. I forgot. But is this right? No, you're not going to skip your breakfast. Fine. Let me move on to the next question now. It is about food because we talked about breakfast. Are you wasting your food? Let me put the question once again. Are you wasting your food? Some of you might be wasting food. This is what I taught in the school, not to waste the food. Food is God. Right? So, what should your response be now? If you are really wasting food, then you should say, yes, I'm wasting my food. And I'm really sorry about this. I'm not going to waste my food from now on. When you do something bad, you should regret. You should feel sorry about it. So what is the response you're going to give? Yes, I'm wasting my food and I feel very sorry about it. I'm not going to waste my food from here on. But if you are not wasting the food, what can you say? No, I'm not wasting my food. That is really good. So this is what we have learned. When you're doing something which is not expected or which is bad or wrong, then you should immediately feel sorry for it. And you have to say that, I feel really sorry for that. So let me put another question now. Are you watching TV all day long? Let me repeat it. Are you watching TV all day long? Some of you are nodding your head, right? Yes, that means you are watching TV all day long. Is this right? This is not right. Then what will you say? Yes, I am watching TV all day long and I feel sorry about it. And I'm not going to do this from now on. This should be your response. And if you are not watching TV, then you can say, no, I'm not watching TV all day long. That's good. But if you're watching TV, yes, I'm watching TV all day long and I feel really sorry about it. And I'm not going to do this from now on. So this is how you are going to prove yourself as a good child, right? Now my last question is going to be, are you obeying your parents? Let me repeat it. Are you obeying your parents? Still you are giving answer in yes or no. The sentence should be complete. Yes, I am obeying my parents. That's really good. If you are not obeying your parents, then what should you say? I'm not obeying my parents and I feel sorry about it. I'm not going to do this from now on. This is what you're going to say. So let me put the question once again. Are you obeying your parents? Yes, I'm obeying my parents. This is response 1. No, I'm not obeying my parents. And I feel sorry about this and I'm not going to do this from now on. Obeying. What does it mean, obeying? If you obey your parents, you're going to listen to them. You're going to do as they wish, as they like. You're not going to disappoint them, right? So I hope children of Vivekananda School are really polite, really disciplined, and really obedient. They are going to be obeying their parents, right? So I hope you have understood what I taught or revised in today's class. So by the end of this session, let me give you some work which you need to put it on the paper. All the things, important things you have learnt in this session, you need to put it on the paper. What sort of questions I have put and what sort of answers are expected. Complete sentence. Okay, you try to put them on the paper and do let me know whether you have done it. So I'm going to meet you in my next video with some other concept and with some other revision. Until then, take care. Goodbye.